Are these chicken nuggets?
Hey guys, welcome back to Ohdatsressie, and I'm back again with another video. Alright, if you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button. If you're a returning subscriber, hey girl or guy, welcome back. Today's video is an unboxing video. I got my package in the mail, so I'm gonna open it with you guys. I haven't touched anything. Everything is sealed completely all the way around. Nothing's open, nothing has been touched. We're gonna open it together. Oh, if I could get it open. Oh, it has like that packing peanuts. This is the information. I got this stuff from curls.com. Oh, this is pretty underwhelming. Everything came what, individual.
Oh, this is making a mess, sister girl. Let me tell you guys.
All right. That was a lot. Now everything came individual, which is kind of annoying because I was thinking everything was gonna come in one cute little box. I just opened it. It has like the little popper things on there. I'm gonna go ahead and open everything. Everything opened finally. Gosh, that was forever. I ordered from Curls. I got the blueberry bliss. I'm gonna insert a picture somewhere here or there. I'm not sure yet. I'll let you know. I'm gonna insert a picture somewhere here or here. I'm just telling all the products one by one. You have a blueberry and mint tea hair growth and scalp treatment. Looks like this. Okay. This reparative hair wash. The blueberry and coconut hair milk. The blueberry bliss. That is such a tongue twister. The blueberry bliss reparative hair mask. I don't know if we could get that to focus, honey. So that's everything that came in the kit. But I also got this on the side, which was, I think was like $12. I'm gonna go through the prices and all of that good jazz later. Blueberry bliss hair growth oil. Okay, so now prices for these four things, right, was $45. It's the Care for Your Curls kit, and then for the oil by itself was $12. And that's not bad because it's a 4 fluid ounce and it's oil, so you're not going to use a lot of it, and plus I'm going to mix it in my oil mixture bottle anyway. The hair milk, this is an 8 fluid ounce. The wash is also an 8 fluid ounce. The tea, mint tea blueberry hair growth and scalp treatment, that's a 4 fluid ounce. And what I really like about this is that it's a dropper, and you know we love us a dropper. Hello. And then the mask is an 8 fluid ounce. It has an interesting smell. Interesting. Oh, she is thick. I don't know if y'all can see that, but she's like creamy but thick. Yeah, she's thick. The smell though, it's, I don't know, maybe I should like, it smells like blueberries. It smells like berry Tylenol. You know, like that Tylenol has that like the grape Tylenol. That's what it smells like. I don't really care for the scent. But that's the mask. Let's see what it says that it claims it's going to do. It says deep penetrating intensive conditioning hair mask guaranteed to prevent breakage, repair damage, and enhance growth. Formulated with certified organic blueberry extract, aloe leaf juice, that's good, and chamomile extract, clinically proven to repair, protect, and restore and grow your curls, encouraging hair growth. Okay, it says here, cleanse your curls with the hair wash. That's what we have here. Apply the mask, of course, to wet hair. Massage into the scalp. Detangle with a white tooth comb. Let the conditioner penetrate the hair shaft. Leave on for 15 minutes in the shower or 25 minutes for deep conditioning. Okay. It has no sulfates, silicones, parabens, artificial oils, colors, or fragrances. Let's go ahead and look at the ingredient list. Purify water, that's good. See, the thing about this is, so if you guys understand how ingredient lists work, I'm gonna try to insert something here. But the first thing that's in the ingredient list, that's like the main component of the product. But coconut oil is, let's see, the 27th thing on this list. So, I mean, it feels okay on my hand. I don't really care for the smell, but we're gonna see. I try it out. The wash here, of course, is rich and creamy, sulfate free. It says, of course, no sulfates, silicones, parabens, artificial oils, colors, or fragrances. And it smells the same way. It smells like blue, like berry Tylenol. It smells the same. I don't care for the scent, and it's like starting to make me angry, but it is what it is. Let's see this. Let's do the mint tea hair and scalp treatment. Refresh the scalp, prevent dryness, encourage hair growth at the follicle level. Apply blueberry and mint tea hair growth and scalp treatment daily. Apply directly to the entire scalp. Oh, I'm gonna try some of her out right now, actually.
We gonna see if it tingles.
It's not tingling, so I'm gonna try it. It says it has coconut oil. It's the same, pretty much the same ingredients throughout the whole entire line. It's the same exact thing. This one though has corn mint, I don't know what that is, blueberry seed, and coconut oil, proven to increase hair growth, so we'll see about that. Now the hair milk, this is what I'm interested in because I love me a good hair milk. It still smells the same. Ooh, very, very creamy. Very creamy. It's like it melts away in your hand type of creamy. Still smells the same. Still has that berry Tylenol. Apply this to wet or dry hair. It's a detangling leave-in conditioner pretty much. So we'll see about that. Now this thing did not come with this kit because this is the Carrier Curls kit. This is the Blueberry Bliss Hair Growth Oil. So this says that blueberry extract, this has pomegranate seed, argan, gardenia flower oil, blueberry, of course. What else? Olive oil, coconut oil, avocado oil, grapeseed oil, okay, jojoba oil, shea butter. I'm about to see. I don't like the fact that it comes in thick. Oh, it's not thick at all. It's very watery. I don't know if you guys can. I know you guys can't see that, but it has the same. Everything has the same scent. And I'm actually gonna do a giveaway. So I'm gonna be trying out these products, and I want one of you guys to try the products out with me. Once I hit 100 subscribers on my YouTube channel, I am going to be giving away a whole entire kit of this blueberry, the same exact kit I have. You guys are gonna get. Like, comment, subscribe, share. Subscribers, I'm going to be giving away one of these kits to one of you lucky people. All you have to do is, the rules are, you leave a comment on this video with your IG handle down in the comment section below, and I will pick one person by random, but I have to hit 100 subscribers first though. So make sure you let everybody know, tell your friends. I mean, hey, you get a whole kit. We're gonna be going out here together. Do you not understand? We are one. I look out for my people. Sis or God. Comment on this video. Let me know your IG handle and post it on your page. Make sure you subscribe, like this video, and that's it. Keep it on your page, you know. Get all your friends to subscribe. Tell them, come on, it's a really dope chick named Reese. I like her. She's cool. She's kind of quirky. Until next time, you guys, make sure you look out for my next video. I will be dropping soon. You already know. God bless everyone. Peace. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.